Hey guys, it's me Hina and welcome back to my channel. So one of my favorite ways to wear my hair at the moment is to wear them straight, and it's of course the most easiest way as well. And although I do not like that sleek and pinned straight hair look, but I love it when my hair is straight and it has that bounce and shine in it. So if you guys want to know how I achieve this look at the convenience of my home, then please keep on watching. So for the sake of the tutorial, I have washed and towel dried my hair for some time, and now I'm taking a white tooth comb and I'm just going to remove all the knots from my hair. And to dry my hair even further, I'm going to use this Philips hair dryer, and I'm just going to make sure that my hair is completely and thoroughly dried. Whenever I'm straightening my hair, I make sure that my hair is like completely dry, because if your hair is wet even a bit, it would damage your hair even more. So yes, that's what I'm doing. And by the way, you guys, I've applied a hairspray, like a heat protectant spray, but somehow it didn't film. But please make sure you use a heat protectant spray whenever you're using any kind of heat on your hair. And as you can see, I'm just using my fingers as a comb, and I'm just making sure that my hair is dry from my roots till the end. Now this is my magic ingredient to make my hair look soft, silky and shiny. This is the Wella Oils of Reflection, and I'm going to take like 2 pumps of it and apply it on each of the sections, starting from the mid length till the end, and whatever is left on the hand, I'm just going to apply it all over my hair. And you guys, I'm not even kidding, I've actually featured this oil in my favorites video in January last year, and I've been loving it till date. This absolutely makes my hair look soft, silky, and it adds a lot of shine. And plus, if you straighten your hair on top of the serum, it actually locks in the serum onto your hair, and it makes it look and appear shinier and silkier. Now my hair is a bit on the thicker side, so I like to work in sections. So I like to divide my hair in 2 equal sections, and I just tie one of the section using a hair tie. And I like to work on each section at a time. So for the first section, I'm again going to divide it in smaller sections, and I'm just going to take some of the hair from the bottom part of my head and I'm going to clip the rest of the hair away, and I'm going to take this V-Blunt straightener. You guys, it heats up so fast, and as you can see, I'm working from the root, so I like to stress a bit at the root, and I like to go over my roots a couple of times, and then with the help of a comb, I like to straighten my hair. So the comb goes first and the straightener is followed, and this makes sure that my hair is straightened evenly and there are no knots in between. And this is the most easiest and the most effective way to straighten your hair. So once again, I'm just going to start from the roots, and I'm going to drag the straightener till the ends, and I like to bend my straightener a bit towards the end, because it adds that nice curve at the end. It makes my hair look nice instead of making the ends look straight and harsh. So I'm going to work on this section and show it to you guys as well. So I'm going to take a bit of section, work on the roots a couple of times, and then just drag the straightener downwards. And you have to make sure that you press your straightener really well to get that flat and straightened look. Now since my hair has been chemically treated, I like to use the straightener at its highest speed, but you do you. And coming to the front section of my hair, I have a lot of flyaways and a lot of baby hair, and to make sure that all of them are straightened really well, I like to straighten my hair towards the front, like on my face. So this also makes sure that my hair has that nice fall in it, and it frames my it frames my face really well. And this completes the straightened hair look on one side, and I absolutely love this look. You can actually see the difference once I open my hair. So I'm going to open the other side of my hair, and I'm going to show it to you, like how different does it look and how sleek and polished does my straightened hair look at the moment. So as you can see it here, like one side is very frizzy and it looks very rough and dry. However, the other side is very sleek, straight and polished. So I have done the other side off camera as well, and right now I'm just framing my I'm framing my face, and I'm going to straighten the front section and my bangs. So I'm just going to straighten it towards the front like I mentioned before, making sure all of my baby hairs and flyaways are covered as well. And yes. Now just to add a tiny bit more shine to my hair, I'm going to use the Vela Oils of Reflection once again, and I'm going to apply it all throughout my hair again, starting from the mid length and just whatever is left on the hand. I can't speak today, so whatever is left on my hand, I'm just going to apply it all over my hair. And yes, this completes the look. Like I said before, I've been loving wearing my hair like this at the moment, and I love how sleek, straight and polished my hair looks. So yes, I really hope you enjoyed watching this tutorial. Give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and I'll talk to you guys in my next video. Bye.